Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from Unkert Education here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Joomla on Namecheap web hosting. But first, if you like videos like this, where I show you how to install and set up software, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to it. All right, so I'm in my Namecheap cPanel, which you will get when you get Namecheap web hosting. And on the left here, I see I have tools, and under tools, I have Softaculous Apps Installer. I'm going to click on that. And if I didn't have this expanded, I have a bunch of tabs here. And what I want to do is expand the third tab down, which is Portals/CMS. And the very first one is Joomla. And that's because Joomla is one of the most popular content management systems. It's right there after WordPress. Um, and a lot of people use it on their websites. So what I'm going to do is click on Joomla to expand it. This will give me an install tab where I have the install tab highlighted. If not, make sure to click on that and highlight that. I'm going to go down and click install now. And I'm going to pick a domain I want to install it on. I'm going to install it on timunkert.net here. I'm going to give a name for my site. So let's just do timunkert.net. I'm going to give a site description, a great site, let's call it. I'm going to give an admin username. I think I'm going to go with Billy, McBilly. Obviously, I would do a real username if I was going to keep this installation. I'm not going to, so I'm showing you the password because I'm not really going to keep it here. Let me highlight the password and copy it. I'd put my real name in if I were doing this as a real installation, and I'd put a different email as well. Okay, we can keep the language as English, or you could change it to a bunch of different languages there. And then I would put in the email I was going to, or the installation details, I would put in an email so I would get that information. Again, I'm going to delete this after I make the video, so I'm not going to put anything in. I'm going to click install. And that's going to take a few moments to go ahead and install. You'll see here it says this may take 3 to 4 minutes, but it's not going to take that long. It takes typically maybe, well, we're done. So 30 seconds there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do could take you longer depending on the process. But anyways, so now I've got this administrative URL, which is timunkert.net/administrator. I'm going to click on that. And that's going to bring me to my dashboard. Now I want to remember the password and my username in case I get logged out here. But right now I've got Joomla set up. I can go here. I can start making, and this is Joomla 5, by the way, the most current version. I can, at the time of this recording, I can make articles. I can start setting up my site. That's really all there is to it to installing Joomla on Namecheap web hosting. It's very easy and straightforward. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, again, please like and subscribe. And I want to thank you for watching. And I hope to see you in the next one.